What if I told you that in this episode of Hotelogia, I'm going to show you one of the most industrially spectacular or spectacularly industrial hotels that I have ever seen, and that this hotel is in Poland, in Łódź. Don't believe me? Just watch, because today I'm going to show you Vienna House by Wyndham, Andel's Łódź Hotel. Israel Poznański, one of the cotton magnates whose wealth created the city of Łódź, had this factory built in the second half of the 19th century. In the 21st century, a marvelous hotel is located in what used to be a weaving mill. So we have a history and the present day beautifully intertwining in this gorgeous place. With Hotelogia, we give you a chance to take a peek into different places and different rooms in this marvelous hotel. For example, this maisonette superior. The factory of Israel Poznański was created at the end of the 19th century, so we have a century and a half of heritage. But the hotel itself got opened in 2009, so it gives us a decade and a half of experience. And it's this lovely combination of history and hospitality that makes this place so unique. And it's visible absolutely everywhere. The main idea behind every great hotel is to make you feel at home even though technically you are far away from it. And despite the fact that Andel's hotel is monumental and majestic, you can feel here safe and comfortable. Oh, and pampered when it comes to food. Once again, history intertwining with modernity in the most spectacular way. What used to be a fire water tank placed atop of a building of a factory now got transformed into a breathtaking swimming pool, offering moments of joy and leisure. And I absolutely love it because it's simply one of a kind. I have been coming back to this hotel for years, and every time I'm amazed by its beauty. And I always find something new. And believe me, there is a place for discovery here. For example, this Maisonette Deluxe, also known as the Presidential Suite. 140 square meters, 2 floors, uncovered brick, high ceilings. On this level, we have a living room with 2 sofas, dining table, a kitchenette, a wardrobe, bathroom, and a bedroom with a king-size bed. But for me, coming here is always a bit of a time travel. And speaking of time travel, these iron stairs connecting 2 floors of this suite are the original stairs from the Poznański's factory. Try to find something this gorgeous in other hotel. There is no way. I'm going to be honest and say that the second level of the suite is my absolute favorite. Why? Well, take a look around. It is a perfect place to chill, relax and read books. And if you ever get tired of sitting indoors, you can always go outside on a spacious terrace to enjoy the weather. If you are staying at Vienna House by Wyndham, Andel's Łódź Hotel, and you want to take a look at the city from a bird's eye view, Skyfly bar is always a great choice. Not only for admiring the area, but also for resting, sipping something delicious from the bar. The most marvelous thing you can start your day with is, of course, winning a lottery. But since it's not going to happen today, I'm going to go with the next best thing, which is a great breakfast. Breakfasts are served here from Monday to Friday from 6:30 till 10 and during the weekends from 7 till 11. So let's begin. Aristotle claimed that the aim of art is not to present the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. And art is very important in the Andel's hotel. In cooperation with Kantor Sztuki and the Museum of Art, the hotel uses its spaces to organize various exhibitions where you can immerse in the world of known and the unknown. Whether it's a stay, a conference or a ball, this hotel caters to all your needs. Vienna House by Wyndham, Andel's Łódź Hotel, beautifully placed with history and art, vision and taste, perspective and dimension. But most importantly, it gives you a chance to experience, explore and enjoy your stay. So you need to visit it. See you next time.